No, we should do the where are we? And then we're gonna sing and then that's the intro. Okay? Where are we? Where are we? Where are we? Hi guys, we arrived sa Cabana. Tara! Ay, what's that? We are gonna eat dinner. I've never been here.
I've never been here either, but they said it's like, ano, tawag dyan? Overlook.
Well, yeah, it's like overlooking over there.
Honestly, we don't really care kasi like, we're the view. No, I'm the view. I don't know about her. but I'm the view.
Deleting this. Bye-bye.
Manifest yung lamig. Ngiti-ngiti pero pawis na yan.
Ang init nga eh. Tagaytay ba to?
Oh my gosh, so arte. Naka-jacket naman.
Dami sinasabi. Pangit naman.
Type 1, tutulak ko itong palabas. do you believe you can fly? Ay, testing natin.
Kakapit ako sa'yo. What am I supposed to vlog?
Thanks for watching.
Wala pa. You know, we just got verified. It's only my number.
It took her so long to get verified. Like,
Isa pa daw, isa pa daw.
Ba yan? Di na nabuti na lang, walang film.
Kapatid.
hala, tapos nahulog ang phone.
Wag.
Ipakita mo, like, the realistic forest. Kung i-push kita, pero syempre mabait. Diba? Diba may fog? So, ang caption, what the fog?
That's like, what the helly vibes? What the helly?
Stop the camera.
What the helly?
One more.
Wow.
Not really. Okay.
Wow.
Hindi, it's like that. And, diba? That. And then like that. And then... Stop. It's like that.
Ganun ba yun?
Yeah.
Wow! Guys, I know how to dub now.
It's dap. Did you say
Dap.
dap? Okay. Guys, she's old na kasi, you know. She's like... Ano na, 21, almost in wheelchair.
Nye. Wala akong naririnig.
If I like hit the forehead now.
Wag. Joke lang.
You taking a video of me?
Yeah. POV, masungit kasama mo.
Baka may post.
Kasi ang vlog, kailangan mo kasi magsalita. Pero baka kasi di mo lang alam.
What am I supposed to say? Hi.
I'm Baymax.
Hello.
Oh my god. Yun na yun.
Well,
This is an aspiring YouTuber, by the way.
we just finished eating dinner. And...
Dinner?
Oo, dinner na to, diba? dinner. Dinner.
Tapos,
And it was...
ba't ka nagpapabebe?
Dito ba kami? Kasama kami.
Ayaw ko na, patay mo na yan.
Ano yan? Nasa kasilat ng katingin.
What are we doing? We're filming a TikTok.
Tangi, where are we? You don't know that?
No.
Katniel nga, Katniel. Oh my
Okay, let's go film.
Bye.